Alright, I'm back after I think like a week. Right here, we have a Shining Fates tin, so mini tin. Open that. One second. I gotta get something for my camera. Here we go. Nice coin. We get 2 Shining Fates packs, and let's just get straight into it. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. Front, flip it around. Energy, Ball Guy, Cramorant, Thwackey, Fusel, Rowlet, Trapinch, Snom, Double V, and a Ditto VMAX! Double hit in one pack. No way. Here we go. Next one right here. I gotta get these sleeved up real quick. Alright, there we go. Double Ditto VMAX. Double V shiny. Right here. Oh, shoot. Go. There we go. Next pack. If I get a Charizard, it will literally smash my Xbox controller into pieces. I give the Charizard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. Water Energy. Rusted Sword. Ball Guy. Nickit. Hossaflower. Chewtle. Morpeko. Cacnea. Trapinch. Manaphy Regular Rare. There we go. Nice 2 pulls. Alright, see you guys later. Yeah, I know this video might be a little bit weird since I recorded it in 2 different days, but this is the other stuff I have. A nice 10 and 4 Battle Styles packs. So, here we go. Get right into it already. Alright, here we go. Open the 10. Gardevoir. Hollow. Alright. On focus. There we go. Code card. And then this part out. Oh shoot. Alright. Shoot. Turn up there. See what we get. Alright. 3 booster packs. Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, which I'm pretty sure has the whatchamacallit, the Charizard, and then Sun and Moon has those Pokeballs, the golden ones. Let's start off with Sun and Moon. Code card. Here you guys go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. Right. Energy. Rainbow Energy. Crocodile. Pink thing. Cosmog. Fermantis. Grimer. Little thing. Dragonair. And Cloyster. I'm gonna save Burning Shadows for last, because if we get that Charizard, bro. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Energy, Fighting Memory, Counter Catcher, Ghastly, Corefish, Weedle, Cubone, Staryu, and Wishful Baton. I've gotten this before. Secret Rare. Let's go. Oh my god, a Secret Rare. Second pack in. If I get the Charizard, I don't even know. If I get the Charizard, I will rip that in half. No joke. If I get the Charizard, I will rip that in half. Let me move these. Just for the video. There we go. Now I have space to move my arms. Burning Shadows. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, flip it around. Energy, Escape Rope. Rolla, Tangela, Dynamo, Crabrawler, Inkay, Ladybug, and an Electros. Alright, here we go. On to Battle Styles. 4 of these. One, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Bruxish, Bufflin, Level Ball, Houndour, Shinx, Gligar, Spoink, Crow, and regular rare Mr. Rhyme. Oh, I have 3 packs. I'm gonna guess it to be a Lightning Energy. Let's see. Code card. Almost forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. Oh, Water Energy. Pharaoh. Carvanine. Escape Rope. Mr. Rhyme. Fermantis. Sparrow. Zubat. Cubone. Fan of Waves. And an Orbeetle Holo Rare. Next one. Second to last. One, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Gliscor, Bronzor, Tepig, Squirrel, Mindfu, Baltoy, Vivillon, and a Primeape. Last pack of luck. Code, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to the front. Flip it around. I'm going to do a speed pack. You guys ready? Lightning Energy, Gliscor, Bruno, Mustard, Murkrow, Horsey, Cherubi, Lickitung, Electabuzz, Cubone, and a Colossal Holo Rare. Not too much, honestly. But it's fine. See you guys later.